Hello everybody, Welcome back to the channel. It's me, and today we're going to talk about 15 health and beauty tips for men, women, and children. I'm sorry that this video is so rushed, but I wanted to upload it as soon as possible so that you guys could get the information quickly. So let's not waste any more time. Let's just get right into it. For men's skincare. Okay, cleanse your face every day, especially after working out, because when you sweat, there are bacteria and dirt particles that accumulate on your skin. When you wash it off, then it will prevent clogging of pores, and you will be able to maintain your skin very nicely. Moisturize your skin. Even if you have oily skin, you still need to moisturize. Don't worry, your skin will not become more oily because of that. It will maintain the oiliness of your skin, the natural oiliness of your skin, and it will prevent your skin from becoming dry. And don't forget sunscreen. Sunscreen prevents aging of your skin and also prevents skin cancer. Second, hair and beard care. Okay, men who have long hair should wash their hair 2 to 3 times per week. Otherwise, they might become too dry and start breaking off. As for beard care, make sure to use some sort of beard oil to hydrate the beard and the skin underneath it and keep it nice and healthy. Also, trim your beard regularly. It doesn't need to be very long. You can actually keep it short if you want to. Just depends on your preference. Third, diet and fitness. Okay, eat a diet that is rich in protein and do some sort of strength training exercises on a regular basis, because as you age, your muscle mass decreases, unless you continuously challenge your body to build muscle mass through strength training. And also, don't forget to stay hydrated and reduce sugar intake. Fourth, mental health. Okay, try to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every night, because even though sleep is not in our control, okay, like sometimes you can't sleep for whatever reason, but try to get as much sleep as you can. It's very important for repairing your muscles, for making you feel fresh and active throughout the day. And also manage your stress levels with some sort of hobby or mindfulness techniques. Now, moving on to women. First, skincare. Double cleanse to remove makeup. That is, first cleanse with an oil-based cleanser or makeup remover to remove the makeup, and then second, cleanse with a water-based cleanser to remove any leftover residue. Second, use products that contain vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night. Vitamin C protects against sun damage, while retinol increases cell turnover rate, leading to healthier-looking skin. Third, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, and also use hyaluronic acid serum, which will draw water from your skin's environment. It is the air around us into the deepest layers of your skin, giving your skin a plump, juicy appearance. Second, hair and nail health. Avoid washing your hair every day, because that can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and brittleness. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to wash your hair. As for nail health, take biotin or collagen supplements to strengthen your nails. Third, hormonal balance. Practice yoga or go for a walk regularly to balance your hormones and improve your mood. Also, don't forget regular checkups, especially reproductive health checkups, as recommended by your doctor. Fourth, natural beauty hacks. Apply aloe vera gel to your skin for a natural glow. You can also make a mask with honey, turmeric, or yogurt to give yourself a nice fresh glow. Moving on to children. First, healthy eating habits. Limit their sugar intake and encourage them to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. You can also make healthy snacks fun, like smoothies, fruit kebabs, and so on. Second, skin and hair care. Use mild tear-free shampoos and soaps to wash their hair and body. Teach them how to wash their face gently without scrubbing too hard. Third, daily routine. Brush their teeth at least twice a day and wash their hands before each meal. Fourth, active lifestyle. Encourage them to spend plenty of time outdoors playing rather than being on screens. Reduce screen time. So now moving on to the closing tips. Good health and beauty go hand in hand, so take care of both. Remember that good sleep, hydration, and mental well-being are essential for both good health and good beauty. Don't strive for perfection. Just try to incorporate these tips consistently into your daily life. If you have persistent skin issues, dietary concerns, or health problems, please reach out to a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment. Thank you, Namaskar.